Let's say, what if you don't have a cable needle handy? What can you do? Well, you can hold the stitches using your index finger. So you hold them in the back of your knitting. You knit the 2 stitches. So you see your finger acts as the cable needle. Then you transfer them onto the circular needle and you knit them. Let's see, you can use your thumb because you will be holding the stitches in front of you. So if you're holding in the back, use the index finger. And if you're holding in the front, use your thumb. Knit the 2 stitches off of the circular needle. And then take the stitches off of your thumb and transfer them onto the circular needle and knit them. Next 2 stitches are just regular knit stitches. Knit, knit. And now we have C4F coming again. Here's another tool you can use instead of a cable needle. You can use another set of circulars, and it doesn't really matter that much what size they are, as long as they're either same size or smaller as the needle you're using. So this is size 15 that we were using for the rib. We slipped the 2 stitches onto that circular needle, and we're using that to hold those stitches. Then you knit 2 stitches off of the left circular, and now we're going to slide these 2 stitches and knit them. You can use a cable needle, you can use your index finger or thumb, or you can use an extra set of circular needles. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we have a lot more video tutorials for you on Loopy Mango YouTube channel.